Hi everyone. At some point, every API needs to handle files, profile pictures, PDFs, invoices, reports, or documents. In this video, I will show you exactly how file uploads and downloads actually work in ASP.NET Core Web API using .NET 10. We'll build everything from scratch, upload endpoint, file storage, and secure download, step by step. Okay, let's create the project. File upload demo. Okay, everything is okay. So when you upload a file, the browser doesn't send JSON. It sends a special request type called multipart or form data. The API receives the file as a string, not as a string. Files travels inside HTTP request body. ASP.NET binds it to iForm file, and you decide where to store it: disk, database, cloud. Okay, the first step is to create a folder with the name uploads. The most important thing is never store files inside controllers or random folders. Keep it clean. Store it in uploads. Okay, now let's create the controller. Add new controller, and we see controller empty, and the name of this controller will be files controller. Okay, perfect. We have to delete this. Add controller base. Here we have API controller like always. After that, we have to write the root. API/controller. Okay, perfect for now. And we have to create a constructor. We'll add here iWeb host environment. Environment will be the name of this parameter. Control dot and private read only iWeb host environment. Let's make this clean. So we have to do this. Perfect for now. Now let's create the update method. HTTP post will be upload. Okay, public sync task action result upload. iForm file as a parameter with the name file. Okay, let's continue with the important part. If file equal null or file that length equal 0, return bad request. No file upload. No file upload. No file uploaded. Okay. Next, we'll get a var upload path equal path that combine will be environment dot content root path uploads. Okay, if directory exists, upload path. Okay, directory dot create directory upload path. Okay, here we have to close var file path equal path that combine upload path file that file name. File that file name. Okay, now using var stream equal new file stream file path and file mode dot create. Okay, await file dot copy to async stream, and in the end we have to write return okay file path. Okay, perfect. Now to explain something, iForm file represents uploaded file. Copy to async saves file stream. Content root path equal project root, and always validate file existence. Now let's create the download endpoint. Okay, inside the same controller we'll have a HTTP GET download and file name. Okay, public iAction result download string file name. Okay, perfect. Var file path equal path that combine. Environment that content root path uploads file name. Okay, perfect. If system.io that file that exists file path return not found. Okay, var file bytes equal system.io that file that read all bytes file path. and var content type equal application octet string. The last part, return file bytes, content type, and file name. The method is ready. The file method sends a file response back to the client. The browser automatically treats it as a downloaded file. Now let's test it in Swagger. It's open, okay. For the post method, we have to choose a file, and I will choose this. Subscribe me is our thumbnail for today. Execute. Okay, we receive a 200. Let's see in file upload demo in our folder uploads. Subscribe. Perfect. It's here. And let's test the get method to download. We have to copy this. Download this file. We can save here. Okay, let's see. Our thumbnail appear and is here. Perfect. Now we have to understand something very important. 1. Never trust file names. 2. Validate file size. 3. Validate file type. 4. Consider storing Azure Blob Storage, AWS S3, and database. In database, we have to store only small files. Okay, this is very important rules. I will try to explain how it works internally. Client sends multi-part or form data. ASP.NET parses boundary. Framework binds to iPhone file. File stored as string. Response returns binary string. Now you understand how file upload and download APIs actually work in ASP.NET Core. This is the foundation for building profile systems, document systems, or cloud file storage services. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye guys.